Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Introducing the Rothenberger 1938 ROCAM 4 Plus Inspection Camera. This state-of-the-art tool combines high-resolution imaging with exceptional comfort. With a robust 40mm camera head, you will capture crystal-clear images and videos for precise diagnostics. Need to tackle tough blockages. The 30-meter cable effortlessly reaches those hard-to-access areas, making inspections a breeze. Plus, with its IP68 protection, the Rothenberger ROCAM 4 Plus is built to withstand the toughest environments. Versatile functionality? Absolutely. The mini-module and interchangeable heads adapt to any inspection scenario. Elevate your plumbing and maintenance game with the Rothenberger ROCAM 4 Plus Inspection. Camera, where technology meets top-tier performance.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.